Folding outdoor stadium chair with backrest and armrests for comfortable and supportive seating on bleachers and benches. Stadium seat. Featuring a lightweight frame and a portable design, this bleacher seat quickly and easily folds up for simple storage and transportation. Sturdy, yet lightweight aluminum chair frame accommodates up to 330 pounds and measures 23.6 by 22.8 by 16.3 inches. Seat height is 4 inches. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy, lightweight aluminum, this bleacher chair accommodates up to 330 pounds and features a supportive backrest and armrests. Breathable nylon mesh and polyester fabric seat and back support ensures cool comfort, even during warm outdoor sporting events. Top reviews from the United States. A huge recommendation. As a large, red-wide man, it is often difficult to find a product that combines the ability to accommodate my size with a serious consideration for comfort. This chair does both. The strong construction and sturdy materials both support and pamper my behind while I am tucked into the crowd trying to alternate my attention between concession stand traditions and the actual playing of the game. It is a little more cumbersome in its folded configuration than many other smaller models, but absolutely worth it. One simple piece of advice while using this though: if you are attending games in the colder seasons, you may consider additionally bringing something very similar to or an actual baby blanket. The breathable mesh isn't the most beneficial material when it allows winter winds unabashed access to your posterior. But really that is my only criticism that could possibly be perceived as a complaint, and it's not meant to be much appreciative of the mesh when it is preventing my flesh from attaining that perfect steak sear that accompanies bleacher seating in shorts during the summer months. Highly recommend.